So, hi dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal you versus them energy check-in. And this is a timeless reading. This is current energies, your side current energies, their current energies, and for the connection where it is going right now at this present moment. So, whenever you are going to watch this video, even if you are going to watch this video after 5 6 months, this is valid for you because this is a timeless reading. Okay, energies are fluid, and whenever we see a video, watch a video, timeless readings are always like they are going to match with your energies at that moment as well. Okay, don't worry about it. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box. It's a 1 hour pre-recorded masterclass. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Gemini, let's see on your side what we have. Okay. We have the Four of Wands, the Ten of Wands, the Three of Swords. Okay. You are in some kind of pain regarding a commitment. It's like very burdensome and very heavy. Either a commitment is weighing you down, or the idea of having a committed kind of relationship with somebody is weighing you down to the level of you getting hurt. You're very hurt right now at this present moment because either you want commitment or long-term partnership or a long-term relationship with somebody and they're not able to give it to you, or somebody else is trying to pressurize you to do something that you really don't want to do in a particular relationship, and it is kind of hurting you. Whatever the case may be, right now this situation is weighing you down to the level of hurting you very deeply. You're kind of in this energy of this is something heartbreaking for me. It's like you can't be in the situation but you can't leave the situation, because if you are going to leave the situation, it's going to hurt you more. If you are going to be in the situation, it's quite heavy and burdensome to deal with, so you're not able to understand what you should do. All you want is to have happiness, all you want is your wish fulfillment, but actually this is going exactly in the opposite direction of your wish fulfillment. That is why you're kind of feeling sad about it, that is why you're kind of feeling hurt about it, about the situation. Even if you're trying your best to fix the situation in a positive way, it's kind of not working out the way you want it to work out. Okay, for some of it could be possible that the person you're attached to or connected to, they are getting committed or married to somebody else, and it's kind of giving you a lot of pain. Take it how it resonates with you. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they're up to, Gemini. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Death card, and the Nine of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. I think right now this person wants to remain single. Now this person wants to like embrace their singlehood. They want to end this connection, end this chapter with you. For some of it could be possible they're asking for something impossible from your side and they are not getting it, so they're like, okay, let's end this chapter here, let me be happy with something else or someone else, because I don't want to be in this connection or in this situation anymore. If I'm not getting the happiness out of this situation, I am not going to be the part of this situation anymore. For some of you, they think that you are ruining their freedom, you are taking their independence, you are taking a lot from them and they're not ready to give it to you. They want their independence, they want their freedom, they want their happiness, and that is why they just want to leave the situation and find their happiness somewhere else, or with something else or someone else. Right now, I think this person is trying their best to find their happiness with somebody else or with something else. I don't know what that is. Take it how it resonates with you, Gemini. This person is just trying to be as happy as they can. It's a wish fulfillment for them that they're heading towards. For some of it could be like moving to a different country for job, for career, for job or career opportunities. For others of it could be like somebody better than they found somebody better than you, or they think like the grass is greener somewhere else, so they might be in this energy of leaving the situation behind because right now they're not getting what they want from this situation between you and them. That is why they might be in this energy of, okay, let's end this chapter and let me find my happiness somewhere else or with something else. Take it how it resonates with you, Gemini. They're right now in this energy and you're kind of hurt by this. Let's see for the connection what we have. We have Seven of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is a Fool. See, I don't think the all is gone. I don't think all is gone. I think if you guys are going to like give it time, I think one of you is going to initiate the communication with the other person again, and one of you is going to try to fix the situation again. This situation has the potential to start all over again in the coming future. A brand new beginning might happen in the coming future, but not right now. It's not happening right now. Both of you need to detach. See, this time out, this separation, uh this space from each other is very very important for you guys in order to understand what you guys mean to each other. And I think right now you are hurt because you might be wanting something to happen right now at this present moment, exactly the way you want it, and because it's not happening, it's hurting you. So when you're going to give this person the time and the space and this energy of, okay, if you want to go, if you want to let it go, okay, fine, I'm fine with that, just let it go, then I think this person is going to understand what you mean to them. Then they will be able to analyze what they really want from this connection, if they want it or not. So there are chances that the things might come back around when you will be least expecting it, when you will be able to let it go completely with all of your heart and soul, not just on the surface level. This situation has the potential to restart again in the coming future, but as of now I do see this situation is kind of going in two totally different directions. Individually, I don't think both of you are right now on the same page, or even if you guys are trying to come on the same page, it's working out. So basically right now this situation is going south from north. One of you is heading in this direction of I want this, one of you is like I want this, and both of you are just splitting on a physical level. You guys are splitting energetically. You are very much connected to this person still, and they are kind of trying to be happy as much as they can in whatever they are doing or with whomsoever they are connected to right now at this present moment. But as of now, this situation is not heading towards anything. But in the future, it has the potential. Has the potential. I'm not saying it might it is going to happen 100%. Nobody can say 100%. If somebody is taking the guarantee in a situation, any tarot reader or astrologer, this is going to happen 1,000%. Telling you that is bogus. That is fake. Only 1% of people who are very spiritually high, spiritually vibrationally high, can tell you the future 1,000%. Otherwise, they are just faking it just to impress you. So, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps.